Hello and welcome to this example video where we're going to do some quote-unquote extreme foiling. So let me show you an example of an extreme foiling problem. So let's say we have something like 3x minus 2y, there we go, quantity squared. Now I'm calling this extreme foiling because you don't see it right off the bat, but we're actually going to have to do some foiling here. We cannot simply distribute the squared because we have a minus sign right here. So step one is to realize that this is actually a foiling problem. And so that means we're going to have 3x minus 2y times the quantity 3x minus 2y. At this point, we're going to FOIL. Now, another reason why I'm going to categorize this as an extreme foiling problem is that we have two different variables. We have an x and we have a y. That doesn't really change much. So we apply the foiling process. 3x times 3x is, is 9x squared. And then if we do the inside or the outside, we'll get 3x times negative 2y, which is negative 6xy. And then we'll have negative 2y times 3x, which is another negative 6xy. And then finally, our last terms will give us positive 4y squared. We're almost done. We just have to combine our like terms here. And when we do that, we end up getting 9x squared minus 12xy plus 4y squared. And there we go. Now, there is a shortcut here. So what we're going to do is we're going to simplify this. And we're going to call it a plus or minus, doesn't matter, b quantity squared. All right, so let me go up here, make sure it's squared, you can see it. All right, if we see this where we're taking a binomial and we are squaring it, what it's going to become is a squared plus or minus, and it depends on which operation we have there, 2ab plus b squared. And if we take a look at it, that is precisely what we have here. So we can use this shortcut, and we'll get a squared is going to be 9x squared. We multiply these two together, that would be negative 6xy. And then we're going to double it to get minus 12xy. And finally, square this guy, plus 4y squared. So there are two ways to go about this problem. You can use this shortcut, or you can just FOIL it out. Either way, though, you should arrive at the same answer.